Recovering deleted messages on X can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you retrieve those messages. Step 1. Check archived messages. Open the X app and navigate to your messages. Look for an archived section, as some messages may have been archived instead of deleted. Step 2. Use the search function. Utilize the search bar within the app to look for specific keywords or usernames related to the deleted messages. This may help you find messages that are still accessible. Step 3. Restore from backup. If you regularly back up your data, check your backup settings. Restore your messages from a recent backup that includes the deleted messages. Step 4. Contact support. If the messages are crucial and you cannot recover them through the app, consider reaching out to X's customer support for assistance. They may have additional recovery options. Step 5. Prevent future loss. To avoid losing messages in the future, enable automatic backups in the app settings and regularly check for archived messages. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of recovering deleted messages on X. Always remember to back up your important data regularly to prevent future loss.